Depression and stress, it's real, and people who have gone through that, they know it's not something you'll wake up early in the morning and it's over. It cannot happen like that. You must follow simple steps, and you must accept yourself so that you can manage it. You cannot manage stress and depression through drinking, through smoking. You cannot manage it at all, and you cannot. You must be prepared psychologically, you must be prepared physically, you must be prepared emotionally so that you can manage stress. There are few things when you are depressed or you have stress you have to follow so that you can a little manage and heal. Number one, when you are stressed, according to me, when you are stressed, it's good you listen the music. You know, music, it's a spiritual, it has a spiritual connection, it's emotional. So when you have a certain stress or you're depressed about something, look for your favorite music, listen. Then if you like gym, you can go to gym, do a lot of exercise, do a lot of exercise. Again, when you want to avoid depression, you should not interact with negative people, people who only speak or talk negative things. You should avoid them. They will put you to more, or they will give you more stress, because their job is only to talk negative, and which is bad. Another thing, if you want to manage stress, do the things you love. You know, when you do things you love, the mind switches. The mind switches. So you will not be thinking what you missed. You know, stress and depression is paying to the things you did wrong, or regretting to the things you did by mistake. Now they are affecting you now. Thus, that what caused depression or stress. Now you are stressed about what did I do? Why did I do this? Oh, I messed up. I, I cannot come up again. Now, stress will develop, depression will come. When depression will come, that's time when now you will start smoking. That's the time now you will start drinking and messing your life up or down. Messing your life down. If you are watching me right now and you are depressed, you have stress, remember, first accept yourself. Stress, it's real, number one. Number two, stress, it's a nature. It's a nature. You have to accept. You should forget the things you did past. Focus forward. Focus of tomorrow. Focus to the things of tomorrow. Start to sit to people who love you. Sit with the people who love you. Negotiate with the people who love you. Do not negotiate with or stay with people who talk negative things around you. No. Go to church if you are a Christian. Go to mosque if you are Muslim. Start to pray. If you are passionate of doing things, try to do things. Try to be creative. If you are talented in music, try singing. If you are not talented in music, listen to music. Sing as well. But if you say, oh, I want to drink, I want to smoke so that I can reduce the stress capacity, I don't know, you are messing your life. You should not drink. Kneel down, pray to God. God will help you. God will uplift you. God, I don't know how I can say. If I say this, someone will go, still just drink. You will drink until life will tell you bye-bye. As I always say, when you do things right, when you don't hate your neighbor, when you love yourself, when you pray God, God will bless you. Universe will bless you. My name is Benson Sila. To my subscribers, thank you for supporting me. And if you are new here, please subscribe. This is the only vibe. Until further notice.